We're in Waikiki, 7 o'clock in the morning, with the Google Nexus 1 smartphone. And right now, we're testing the camcorder of the Nexus. It's great quality, like 700 resolution, 7 by 480, something like that, almost like my Droid. Anyway, Waikiki, check Waikiki, 7 o'clock in the morning. Coca-Cola! Anyway, this is Harvey Clinger, and I'm a good singer. And when I'm not a singer, I'm a window cleaner. Anyway, got to get back to work. Anyway, someone asked me, did you clean my windows today? I said, sure I did. Can't you see all the streaks I left? Okay, Harvey Clinger, I'm a good singer. And remember, when I sing, do this, don't do that. Okay, you can do this, but don't take that finger away. See you later. Got to clean Armani. Ooh. See you later. Ooh, better watch out. There's the cops. Cop car, I tell you. Cop pulled me over and said, brother. I said, what, brother? He says, you know, you're not supposed to be driving while you're not supposed to be talking while you're driving. I said, dude, I wasn't even talking on the phone. I was just listening, okay? Anyway, the Nexus 1. Great camcorder, too. For early in the morning, too. 7 o'clock. And remember, there's the police. He's taking a donut break. Alright, I'm taking a coffee break. Alrighty. Nexus 1. Harvey Clinger.